slamming his hands on the table. Food! Minnie wants food! Slamming his hands on the table too. Cookie wants food! Yoongi shouts from kitchen. Food is coming, just 2 minutes. Jimin, Minnie wants food! Cook, Minnie, Cookie wants food! Yoongi came there with food. Enough, are you planning to make me deep? Jimin, Minnie and Cookie are waiting for Uni, but Uni is late. Yoongi, yeah, I know I'm late today. I heard this at least thousands of times since the morning. Serve their breakfast. Cook, Dada shouldn't stay up till late night. Yoongi looked at Cook. I know, baby, but Dada has work now. Jimin, Uni should do work at his office, not at home. Yoongi, Minnie, work is important na. I have an important meeting. Jimin, Minnie doesn't wanna listen anything. Uni will not do any office work at home. Yoongi, but Minnie, Cook, Dada, she used to Appa. Appa will forget everything till night. Whispered in his ear. Jimin looked at them with suspicious look. What are Cookie and Uni talking? Cook looked at him. Nothing, Appa. Cookie is saying Dada should listen to Appa. Cookie is on Appa's side. Jimin smiled. That's good. My Cookie is so smart. Cook, Cookie is Appa's son na. Yoongi, now finish your breakfast quickly. They all finished their breakfast. Yoongi gave glass of chocolate milk to Cookie and plain milk to Jimin. Jimin looked at the glass. Why did Yoongi give milk to Minnie? Minnie isn't a baby. Yoongi whispered in his ear. I know Minnie isn't a baby, but Minnie is Cookie's appa na. Minnie should teach Cookie good things. Cookie won't drink the milk. Milk me. Egg are Cookie so strong, but if Minnie will drink milk along with Cookie, then Cookie has to drink. Doesn't Minnie want to teach Cookie good things? Jimin, yes, Cookie wants, but why doesn't Yoongi drink the milk to teach Cookie good things? Yoongi, who loves Cookie more, Uni or Minnie? Jimin, of course Minnie. Yoongi, then who should teach Cookie good things? Jimin, Minnie should teach. Looked at Cookie, let's see who will finish the milk first. Cook, Oti, started drinking the milk. Jimin finished, wiped his lips by his hand. Yay! Cook wins. When will Cookie win? Jimin proudly patted his head. Cookie is a baby. Cookie should learn from his appa. Cook looked at him. One day Cookie will defeat appa. Yoongi, Cookie, let's go, baby. I will drop you school. Jimin picked his school bag. Appa will also come to drop Cookie. Yoongi, Minnie, today Uni is getting late na. Uni will take you tomorrow. Jimin, Utti. Cook kissed on Jimin's cheeks. Cookie will return soon. Then Cookie and Appa will play. Jimin kissed him back. Appa will wait for Cookie. Yoongi kissed on Jimin's forehead. Minnie, don't go anywhere outside of the house. Stay inside. Left with Cook. Name Min Yoongi, age 32 years old. Profession managing director. Nature loving, caring, sweet, responsible. Loves his husband and son a lot. Name Min Jimin, age 30-year-old. Nature loving, caring, sweet, naughty, emotional. Loves his husband and son a lot. Name Min Jungkook, age 5-year-old. Nature cute, loving, caring, sweet, sensible, much more mature than his age. Loves his appa and dada a lot. Arthur's point of view. Yoonmin were arranged marriage couple. 7 years ago they got married. They had very cute and sensible 5-year-old son Cookie. Cookie used to very naughty. They three were very happy in their life. But 6 months ago, their life took 360-degree turn. One day, Jimin was going to pick Yoongi from his school, but met with huge car accident. Somehow, doctor saved him, but he slipped into his little space. Yoongi couldn't understood how will he understand handle Jimin and how will he tell this to Cookie about Jimin's condition. But Cookie already heard him his and doctor's conversation. Cookie, who was only 5-year-old, turned himself in mature person. Yunmin used to feed Cookie his meal by running behind him, but now Cookie was run behind Jimin to feed him his milk. Cookie always stood with Yoongi and never let him feel lonely. He took care of Jimin and himself. Jungkook tricked Jimin to feed his medicines and food. At the beginning, Jimin was very jealous and aggressive. He pushed Cookie and threw the food, but neither Cookie lost his patience nor Yoongi. Slowly, Jimin's behavior changed. He became polite. Now he isn't jealous of Cookie. He patiently waiting for everything. He did all the household chores except cooking. Yoongi taught Jimin and Cookie how to reheat their food in microwave. Cookie scared from microwave, so he only watched from far and instructed Jimin. They all were very happy in their life. In breakfast time too, Jungkook tricked Jimin by the name of milk. Yoongi mixed his medicine in it. Cookie knew this very well. Time skipped in the afternoon. Yoongi came to pick Cookie from his school. He brought Jimin too because Jimin wanted to see Cookie's school. Of course, he visited Cookie's school so many times, but after the accident, never. Yoongi stopped the car and told him to go inside. He went to park the car. Jimin happily entered inside the building, but guard stopped him. Guard, excuse me, sir, you can't enter inside. Jimin looked at him. Why can't Minnie enter? Guard, only children's parents are allowed, no outsider. Jimin, Minnie isn't an outsider. Minnie is Cookie's appa. Guard, then show me your parents' card. Jimin, parents' card? What's this? Guard, school management provide every parent a card. After showing the card, they can take their child with themselves. Jimin, but Minnie doesn't have any card. Guard, then I can't allow you to enter inside. Jimin, Minnie isn't lying. Minnie is Cookie's appa. Why aren't you believing Minnie? Guard, it's my duty, sir. This rule made for children's safety. I can't break it. Sorry. Minnie sad face. Oti remembered Yoongi gave him a card in the house. Minnie remembered. Minnie also has a card. Showed him card. Guard checked the card properly and matched Jimin's face with his pick. You can go inside, sir. Open the gate. Jimin happily poured 90 degree. Thank you so much. Jimin came inside and saw the colorful building. He became so happy. Lots of children were running to their parents. He was looking for Cookie and found him while talking with his friends. Boy 1, Cookie, why always your dada come to pick you? Cook, because Cookie's dada has time. Boy 2, it means Cookie's appa has no time for Cookie? Cook, no, it's not like this. Cookie's appa is very sweet. Cookie's appa plays with Cookie, but now Cookie's appa isn't well, na? Boy 2, Cookie, why are you lying? Cookie doesn't wanna meet his appa with us. That's why Cookie is making excuses. Cook, no, Cookie isn't making excuses. Cookie is saying the truth. Boy 1, I think Cookie's appa doesn't love Cookie. That's why he never come to pick Cookie. Cook, no, Jimin shouts and runs to him. Cookie! Cook shocked. Appa, you here? Jimin, Minnie came here to pick Cookie. Give me your school bag. Cook gave him a school bag. Hail! Jimin hangs his school bag and swap boys. Cookie, they are your friends? Cook looked at them and nodded his head carelessly. Yish! Held his hand. Come, let Cookie meet you with them. Two boys. See, today Cookie Shappa came to pick Cookie. Jimin, hello, I'm Minnie. Cookie's Appa gave them candies which he brought for Cookie. Minnie brought some candies for Cookie, but you can take these. It's so tasty. Minnie and Cookie loves them a lot. Boy one laughed. Cookie's Appa is talking like a baby. Is Cookie's Appa a baby? Cookie has baby Appa. Boy two young Jimin's hand. We don't want anything from Cookie's baby Appa. What if we also become like Cookie's Appa then? Boy one, ew, how can Cookie live with him? He is mad. Boy two, Cookie should stay away from him. Jimin, hurt by their words, his happy face turned so small. He turned around and found Yoongi near the gate. He ran to him and hugged him tightly while crying. Yoongi was patting his back. Cookie couldn't take this insult. He turned around and saw Jimin was with Yoongi. He angrily looked at the boys and said, Cook, how dare you to call Cookie Shappa as mad? Cookie Shappa isn't mad. Cookie Shappa only sick. Cookie Shappa loves Cookie so much. When Cookie became sick, Cookie Shappa always stayed with Cookie and took care of Cookie. Now it's Cookie's turn to take care of his Shappa. Cookie will always stay with his Shappa. You can feel you when your parents get sick, but Cookie doesn't. Cookie Shappa taught Cookie to take care of everyone. Don't you dare to. Disrespect Cookie's Appa. Cookie won't leave you. Cookie's Appa is the sweetest. Cookie Shappa offered you tasty candies, but you threw them. You both are bad. Cookie doesn't want many friends. Go! They both immediately left from there. Cookie picked the candies from the ground and went to Yunmin. Yoongi was so proud to hear Cookie's words. It's the result of their good upbringing. Cook took Jimin's pants. Appa! Jimin looked at him. Minnie is sorry for embarrassing Cookie. Minnie won't come to Cookie's school again. Promise. Cook hugged Jimin's legs tightly. Appa, don't say like this. They both are meanie. Cookie doesn't think like them. Cookie is so happy that Appa come to pick Cookie. Don't be sad. Cookie scolded them. Cookie's Appa is the bestest. Jimin kneeled down in front of him. Really? Cook nodded his head carelessly. Really? Hugged him tightly. Appa doesn't need to shat and wrap the candy and fed him. Appa should eat his skin tasty candy and forget everything. Jimin fed him candy too. Yoongi looked both of them. Wow, both Minnie and Cookie forget his union data. Now don't talk to me. Cook looked at them and started tickling. We will see. How can you not talk with us? Time skipped after a few days. Yoongi was very busy and disturbed by his work. He was stressed out. Cookie started coming home by school bus. Yoongi was quite busy, so he couldn't spend much time with Cook. Right now, Cookie was in school and Yoongi was in his office. Jimin was cleaning the house. While dusting, he broke Cookie's Iron Man toy. He was crying and trying to fix it by glue, but it wasn't fixing. He was feeling very guilty. Yoongi forgot a file, so he came back to house. He saw Jimin was crying. While sitting on the floor, he quickly went to him and asked, Yoongi, Minnie, what happened, baby? Why are you crying? Jimin looked at Yoongi. Yoongi, Cookie's Iron Man toy is broken. Showed him broken toy. Yoongi took the toy. How did it happen? Jimin, Minnie was dusting Cookie's shelf and it fell. Minnie didn't do this intentionally. Please fix it. Cookie will be sad to see this. Yoongi angrily looked at him. Are you mad? Who told you to clean this shelf? I told you na, we will do this when I will get holiday. See, what did you do? It's Cookie's favorite toy. You know this very much. How much he attached with it. Then also you break it. Jimin, while crying, Minnie didn't break it. Minnie didn't wanna hurt Cookie. Minnie will fix it. Yoongi, how will you fix it? It's broken now. Nothing can happen. It's just a waste. Throw it in this bin. Jimin, crying hard. Sorry. Yoongi shouts, what sorry? Minnie, for God's sake, stop crying. Your crying can't do anything now. Do you know anything rather than crying and troubling us? You want us to run behind you all the time. Do you think we don't have any work rather than playing with you? You only think about yourself. And what about us? Leave me. I'm habitual of this. But think about Cookie. He is only 5 years old and took care of you like any mature person. He never say anything to you. He never complained. But you are taking advantage of him. You broke his precious toy. Now my poor baby will be sad. But then also he won't say anything to you just because he doesn't want to hurt you. And here you are finding new ways to hurt him. You know what talking with you means banging my head on the wall, because no matter how much I try to make you understand, but you will do what do you think is right. Now break entire house. Who cares, right? He angrily shouts on Jimin and left from there after taking his file. He was stressed out, that's why he said those words. He didn't mean to it, but Jimin took his words on his heart. Jimin, while crying, Minnie always hurt everyone. Minnie only know how to give hard time. Minnie didn't break Cookie's toy intentionally, but Cookie will be hurt now. Yuni is right. Minnie doesn't know anything except troubling others. Minnie will go far away from Yuni and Cookie's life. Minnie won't disturb Yuni and Cookie. When Minnie wasn't there, then Cookie and Yuni will be so happy. Yes, Minnie should go. Ran outside from the house while crying hard. After a few hours, Cookie came back to home. He touched the door to bang it, but saw door was already opened. He came inside and started looking for Jimin. When he didn't find Jimin in the house, he thought Yoongi took him with himself. He went to his room and came back after changing his clothes. He called Yoongi by landline phone. OTP. Yoongi. Hello? Yoongi. Cook. Hello, Dada. Give phone to Appa. Cookie will scold Appa. How can he leave the house without locking it properly? Yoongi. Cookie, what are you saying? Minnie isn't with me. Cook. What? But Appa isn't at home. Yoongi. Cookie, he will be at home. Check him properly. He must be sitting at any corner and crying. Cook. Why will Appa cry? Yoongi, because I scolded him harshly, told him everything. Cook. Dada, you shouldn't scold Appa. Don't you remember what the doctor uncle said? Yoongi, I know, baby, but I was very stressed out because of my work and he broke your favorite toy, so I became very angry. I said him lots of things. I will return home early and properly apologize to him. Cook, you better be. Don't you dare to scold Cookies up again. Yoongi acted too scared. I won't. I will bring his favorite ice cream. Cook, and cheese ball too. Yoongi, thanks for reminding me. Cook put the receiver and went to find Jimin, but quickly returned back. Tata, Appa isn't at home. Cookie checked him in everywhere. Yoongi stood up. What? I'm coming. Don't be scared. We will find him. Call ended. Time skipped after few hours. Jungkook were searching Jimin everywhere but still couldn't find him. It turned dark. Now they started panicking. Yoongi broke down in guilt and fell on his knees and started crying. Yoongi, I'm such a shame on husband's name. How can I say those hurtful words to my Minnie? Now where do I find him? I feel as a husband. If anything happened to my Minnie, then I will never forgive myself. Burst into tears. Cook hugged him tightly. Dada, won't cry. Appa needs us. Please don't lose hope. Appa must be scared. Appa doesn't know the route too. Let's go and find Appa. Please. Wiped his tears. Hearing Cookie's words, Yoongi got new hope and started searching Jimin. After searching him for half an hour, they reached at an alley and Cookie saw a familiar figure in darkness. He went to him and said, Cook, Appa. Person looked at him. Appa. Hugged him tightly. Dada, Appa is here. Yoongi came to him. Minnie wanted to touch him, but Jimin started shivering. Jim, don't come near Minnie. Go, Appa, he's Tata. Why are you scaring? Tata won't do anything to Appa. Yoongi went on his knees. Minnie, I'm sorry. Please don't be scared from me. I didn't mean to all those words. I said only in anger. You know now how much Yuni loves his Minnie. Cook, yes, Appa. Tata is saying the truth. Cookie scolded Tata. Tata won't repeat this again. You know, Appa. Tata was crying. Cookie and Tata was searching you from so long. We were so scared. Please come back to home. Jimin, Minnie isn't angry from Yuni. Yuni is right. Minnie only knows how to give hard time to Yuni and Cookie. Yoongi shook his head carelessly. No, Minnie never gives us any hard time. Yuni is so stupid. Yuni is so bad. Please don't take Yuni's words on your heart. Jimin, Minnie broke Cookie's favorite toy. Minnie hurt Cookie. Minnie will not go to home. Cook, Appa didn't break it intentionally. Cookie will get new toy, but where does Cookie get new Appa? What? That was Cookie's favorite toy because Cookie's Appa brought that. By his savings, Cookie isn't hurt. Cookie doesn't want any toy. Cookie only wants Appa. Please come back home. Jimin, Minnie can't come to home. Yoongi, Minnie, please don't say this. I'm really sorry. Minnie showed him his leg. Minnie can't come to home because Minnie hurts his leg. Minnie can't while running. Minnie can't walk. Cook smiled. Tata will carry Appa. Appa doesn't need to walk up. Tata is so strong. Yoongi, yes, I will carry Minnie, but Minnie should promise us that Minnie will never leave the house like this. Minnie should stay at home, fight with me when I will return, but can't leave the house. We both got very scared. Jimin held his ears by his hands. Minnie should surely. Minnie will never do this again. With that, Yoongi picked Jimin in his arms and started walking towards their car. Cookie was walking while holding Yoongi's pants. Just like parents never hesitate to take care of their sick children, children should also not hesitate to take care of their parents. Sickness isn't a thing to embarrass. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Sickness isn't a thing of embarrassment. It can happen with anyone. If parents never leave their children in sickness and never hesitate to take care of them, then why can't children do the same? No matter how much angry you are, but never say anything to sick people out of anger. You never know at which level it can hurt them. Our cookie was so mature, he handled his appa and data calmly. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.